Yo. Alright, so today is August 19th, 2025. We're gonna keep it nice and easy. We're not even gonna stress out nothing. So just need these to go down so I can get to work. Alright, cool. Alright, let's go away. Alright, so looking at ES here. Can't really see it. I'm gonna add a little bit more days. Let's add 5. Okay. That looks better. So this was green. It's not showing green anymore. Let's add 3. Alright, so yeah. So this was a buy right here. And as you can see, price came down to it yesterday, bounced, right? So if we go to the 20 tick chart, all right, this was green, right? So let's add a day to it. All right, this is what I'm doing. Boom, boom, right? So let's go to the 20 tick chart. Okay. And then we're gonna mark just the lower half of it because price did come to it pre-market, all right? And but didn't go all the way through. All right, so yeah, pre-market, it touched that. All right, so I should have probably been looking for an entry at this level because we cleared all the other ones, right? There's no other issue for me to really deal with. Oh, sorry, that issue levels to really deal with because they got cleared. All right, you see, price came down to them, cleared. It went all the way down to the lower part of the spectrum and held. So I should have been focusing on the lower spectrum of this level for my buy because you can see that on the 25, the 50, price did clear those levels and went towards the 75 portion pre-market and bounce, right? It cleared that one here, pre-market, see, boom, cleared. So we only had this here, which aligns well with 75, right? So this is where we wanted price to come down to. Price came down to it midday. Now price came down to it pre-market, and then midday is when it moved, right? And then finally went up to here again, and then pushed down. And I was able to grab a bit of that. Alright, but it was very sloppy, very horrible. Um, Ended up, wrecking the account a little bit more. Alright. I think it was here that I grabbed it. I ended up wrecking the account a little bit more. Alright, so this probably would have been a better spot to enter. Strong buy. Price went. But everything I tried just kept failing. And if it did go, it went a little bit and then just paused. So yesterday was just really a fuckery day. Alright, so what can I do with this information is the question, right? So I'm going to I didn't even go over my charts yesterday because I was just so exhausted with the market, exhausted with the day, exhausted with just a lot of things, right? Been at this for a while and haven't been able to find success yet, and it's kicking my ass, and it's really pissing me off. It's really what it is, right? So we're gonna keep that there. We're going to move this low right here. That was the day's low, and then our high was right over here. Alright, so we'll grab this high here. It's being lazy. I don't want to turn that L into an H. Probably just would have been faster to just do that. Alright, so that's there. Alright, bam, bam. Okay. Alright, so high and low, we just been in that range the entire time. Typically, I'd look for um, selling at these highs. I don't see anything. Right. So we're in this range here where buying is more prominent, and then we got this selling right here. All right, selling right here, and then selling here in the higher end. All right, so buyers down here. All right, so buyers, see buying came and happened again. All right, so as long as we're above this, I'm gonna just be looking for buys, and I'm gonna drop this down to where this gold line is. All right, bam. Okay. Okay. Alright, so and then I was trying to go short because VIX was just dropping and it just was fucking being a dick. That's how I really feel. When Vic was being a fucking dick, market was being a dick, not dropping, not going up with VIX because VIX was below the lows. Just look at all of this shit and just ES was just like, no, I'm not doing none of that shit. So it was pissing me off. All right, so anyways, nice little bounce here. You can see VIX came through and bounced off of this level here. Looks clear on the let's see, not really sure what time frame, but yeah, okay. All right, so I got my high and my low. I don't really have much I can work with. All right, we got a new aggressive buying here, but not really much. All right, so I'm still looking for longs, but I think I'm looking for longs in the lower spectrum. Let's go to NQ. Alright, so our low's down here. This can go. Alright, so I don't see anything here that's screaming short. Let's do 100. There you go. Oh shit, a great workout. Alright. anything saying buy down here. So I don't have really much I can work with. Um, all right, let's add settlement price. Fuck, did not mean to close that out. All right, so no real news. Got the 8:30 news, but I don't think that really matters. Tomorrow, FOMC minutes, and then Powell speaks at 10 a.m. I said Powell speaks at 10 a.m. Did he move from the Friday? It's Friday. Powell speaks at 10 a.m. on Friday. Okay. Yeah, my account has just been struggling. I'm not gonna lie. Down 500. Friday, and then 200, if not more, yesterday. I don't even know why I'm even trading anymore. Right, I'm just at the brinks of just fucking up the account. Just trying to find something that works. Alright, this is all Friday giveaways. One. All Friday giveaways. $300, 4, 5, $500. It's 500 all on Friday. Alright, this are good. Moments 300, 500, but fucking got toe up, man. The give backs are a lot more than the gains. All right, down 238, 200. All right, was able to pry myself out of this. Down 500. Was able to finish. $238. All right, this is all I got left. Like maybe $300. So I'm gonna bring this down to 3, and we're just gonna work our way through it. So it's gonna be a typically it's about 6 points. Let's see what's the average. Let's go through last week's. What we just do yesterday, so why not? Average losing about 129. See about 5 points. Let's do last week's. I was losing 109. These large losses are throwing me off, right? So 129 plus 15. So we're going to do 77, right? So 77 trying to do 7 times 3, right, or more. So we're aiming for. So we're gonna do 3 points. All right. Yeah. All right. So yeah. Okay. That's our goal. At settlement price, and we're basically done. Do VIX. Damn, I don't care about damn music. Alright, that's all shit roll. Okay, so basically, yeah, my game plan is basically just long here, short up here. I don't have much. Alright, it's still very long here. Alright, so, anyways, I'm out. Catch you later. Adios.